So now that we're done with our broadcast and all of the things have been uploaded to the appropriate places that they need to be, we are now ready to clean up the studio. In the studio, we'll have a bottle of disinfectant as well as some napkins over here by the plop cups. And what we do is you put a little bit of disinfectant on the towel. Make sure it's nice and spread evenly, and we're able to clean the equipment. The first thing you're going to want to clean, first and foremost, you can now turn the roadcaster off after you've finished transferring everything. You can scrub the top of the screen, like so. Being sure to get all the knobs and the buttons. Next, what we want to clean is we'll clean the top of the desktop. So all the keys as well as the mouse pad. Okay, as well as any other surface we may have touched during our contact here in the studio. Be sure not to wipe any of the markings off the table, as those are essential for people being able to find which mic goes to which. And after concluding, we will then throw away the napkin into a bin outside the studio, which will be located right by this tree. And be sure to not forget your plop cup. And once you have your plop cup, you have now finished your cleanup of the studio. We wish you a great day, and we look forward to working with you again at ViewCampus Radio.